Do you want the best of Cottesloe beachside living? Then you have to see this property. We are just east of Avonmore Terrace, a beautiful home designed by local architect and beachgoer Paul Jones. This has a beautiful sense of style, and for those of you from the east, it's a lot like Bronte. Very private and 300 metres down the hill to your private beach. Beautiful internal reef access for swimming, local sporting clubs, and access to everything you want. This is your beachside village for those really active families that want to make the most of life. Built over 2 levels, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, multiple living areas, and this beautiful, flourishing living area that opens internally and externally under a lovely architectural statement. This is a beautiful home. We want to welcome you and your family to Cottesloe.